Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can issue sales invoice with a discount or customer invoice with a discount on MyT accounting software. To create invoice with a discount, we need to go to sales section and click on create invoice. Also, we can go through sales overview and click create invoice from here. Either you can select customer from your list, or you can add new customer and you will be presented with an option to fill in details about this new customer. Okay, I will select customer from my list. Next section is items. Here we can add an item and just add description and amount. Or if you click view more details, you can also specify where you want this revenue, sales or income be reported under which particular income category. So in my case, I will have service, and in my case it's cleaning service for 250. Click save, and to add a discount you need to click on add item again. And in this case, I will add discount 10%, so you can add a description line there. And I will use the same account, so it's in the same line, but you can create a separate account for discount. And to add a discount, place minus, in my case 25, and click save. So this would apply negative amount, and as you can see, subtotal of an invoice is 225. If you want, you can add remarks as well as any other attachments that need to be distributed with this invoice. On right hand side there is invoice number automatically generated by system, as well as invoice date and due date. If you want to change due date, just select from this calendar how many days you want to give. So in my case it's 7 days, and you can add terms there. So once you have added details on this invoice and you're happy with information, click save. Okay, to get back to list of your invoices, go to sales overview, and here is 1008 invoice for 1009. Just need to sort it out. 1009 for 225 with a discount applied. And we can download and print or distribute automatically to this customer by clicking on this envelope. So email has been sent successfully if you have provided an email address. And if I click on download, this will be how the invoice will look like once it's distributed out to your customer. So it's service 250 and discount 25, and totals 225. So in this episode, I showed you how you can create an invoice to customer or sales invoice with a discount on MyT accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me.